Hi! In this video, we will quickly tell you about Appointlet Offers. Collaborate with your team and close more deals together. Control each team member's availability with custom schedules. Pull your sales team in a round robin for even meeting distribution. Book more meetings with an easy scheduling tool that matches your brand. Send Appointlet links over email and stand out with easy scheduling. Customize your booking page to match your brand. Connect your email calendar to prevent double bookings. Appointlet pricing options. How much does Appointlet cost? What's the pricing structure? The Appointlet Premium plan is currently $10 a month. We also offer a 20% discount on all annual subscriptions. This brings the cost of your subscription down to $8. Protect your company against attendee no-shows. For attendees with a busy schedule, it's too easy to lose track of a meeting. Send automated confirmation and reminder messages, complete with all the details. Problem solved. Collect the information your company needs during the scheduling process. This ensures your hosts can review any important details prior to the meeting. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more information about Appointlet and discover my business solutions for your business. Bye.